Good day everyone! I am Dr. Angelica Arsiaga, the Reproductive Health and Family Planning Medical Coordinator. Ginawa namin ngayon ay yung cervical cancer elimination plan dito sa Muntinlupa, kung saan pinag-usapan namin ano ba mga strategies na gagawin namin to eliminate cervical cancer here in Muntinlupa, so that we'll be able to have a zero cervical cancer cases. The first one is we have to do the organization, the ordinances or the resolution, and even the guidelines to eliminate the cervical cancer. Number two is the advocacy, where we are going to do several, or we have to do series of lectures in our community so that the eligible population or even the not eligible population can have knowledge with regards cervical cancer. As of this moment, the CHO promised me to have a meeting with regards the finances that we are going to do. Of course, I will include last 4 strategies that we are going to plan, which includes the HPV vaccination. Aside from the advocacy, HPV vaccination among the target population, which is the grade 4 students, female 9 to 14 years of age. Eventually, if we can do more than or 15 years old, we can also do vaccination through the help of our local city government. For those who are interested, especially the 17 or the 16 LGUs, you can contact us at the Muntinlupa City Health Office so that we can achieve the zero cervical cancer cases, so that no one will die of this cervical cancer, since we have these 3 key prevention, which are the HPV vaccination, the screening, and the treatment.